In fact, I honor nam yamashime, tina mitimi nebiu. Na report ne ba eja no she enko forward janim kanim. What is happening? 80 after 12 midnight na report no guso eba afa ade achi ya. Na you say nipa dodo a wama hwere wo nkwa. Na nya asem ketwa. Na akwaya rehosem papa. If I be kai pass ade achi e kwa mentimi ankwa adwuma. Esan se bia na mete no. Nsuo yiri me.
Akadem.
Mekai.
One franc kwatra ceiling so di.
Mekai. Akia.
CJ.
June 3rd, 2015. Now we.
CJ na me wo enkra ha say me fie e wo Tabora. Na me de enso ne to nyina no. Ade ba ko a mekai ne say there's this girl. Na oba me fie ho ebeboa me fie wura. Enti enso no eto saa no. E na obekra me say sesekwa me ko. E na me so na okay mate because wa mama ho nti me je so mate. I'm saying say na say de enso toyi e na wako nipa na obeboa wo made yo. E na wako boa na wie enso to say na nipa no so kwa na ko sebe na nan ba ko nye otogu so. Na obede no watimi wan ka be mpo no wate say etwamu a wo begina ho na wa fawo. Enti me ya nam so ka ne beda me ha say na de chia na woko. So afa de me eso ni toy mum toy papa ma nante me ti meni no anopa no na metiti radio so anopa tututu yese circle na me koso TV na je say nipa ne timi esam TV so a wo mo ahye apraso te say sebe mpraduasa enkra ne na hadwen na ahomete na ya sefem na ye wo haw osu ene adwadwetwa amagana na anopa yi bra ye news no na wo hwe ebinom abenedi a wo mu di sabre no ene esun awerefo a no wo mu di a ene na me wira ho papa na wenum nyina ye de esese ye ka ye ho sei no
ye ka ye ho ukọ Facebook Adom 106.3 FM Facebook sisi a infoni etwagu to be kana ko Facebook Adom 106.3 FM Facebook obehwe infoni ni videos ni ade ni nyina wo ho. Now share your experience. Now we on that fateful evening June 3rd. Na wo he Arempo?
Yes, na honestly
Sada na we
na mo fie na ma pon adwuma mo fie a chese e boabo ho se mba beda na chese me ko bie TV a ko bie radio a number bia what is happening na CJ in fact me slowy in the field the hobby in no me slow nsi to anam slow
asampa no abosi o ade a meti wiase se nkra ha me kire ne se nso betoto mabonten
enti enya gro
na no nso topa na me nam ekwan mu a me kofi ewrade me sofa me kodru na chese dabe mpo ne nso to ya na mapon me kofi chese enkran nso to a ehu na me kwan no so Tantra Hills ekwan no so se de gates ni bufa so na in fact na me suro just last week we say nso bi toy last week esa wodru abeka jansen ase a telecom no
telecom anim ho no
na se je medru se de gates ni si bufa so no me sere nyanko pass nso to mabonten de enka me nyaa yankopon de bi o man mpa me because last week nko akra se the one me yem hye me no Tantra ono wo free wo sama 7 junction kwan na da ho no ewra Tantra inside ho no gates wo nyina bufa so kwan yi mu tat je say ahomete baby ya ti o man baby ya
story bako a twa me nsunum esan se me ye twin na me san so one tafo
ene fa bi sa me
mami ya wawo ntafo na nsuo no adi kan fa ntafo no nkora ne baako na ni kunu ejina ekwan no agya mami no su kura ntafo ne baako na ni kunu no ebo no homoden se baako na nsuo afa no obesave no na nsuo yi okunu ni oba ni nyina no hwim
ese mame ne to akwala na mani kunu no sana maame no feel say baby ono wo no de ayedin ti be man baby ogina no ye enti sa de amento akwada no emfa ne ma be man na akwada ne ntimi save no na no na be man no so ti anye ye wa akwada na enu se de no wo se oduruma papa no so no papa no so otwe ne mu e na omu nyina chrodo maame ne papa ne nyina maame ne akwada ne nyina ayi papa ne akwada ne nyina efiri mu
Omun school. And for you. Ready.
Jim Affair.
Ready. And jumping in want to Sanet here. And I decided to Sanet here. And I know to be a
Jim Affair.
I have friend me. I have friend of you. I have friend of you. I have friend of you. I have friend of me. To be Cruzano, I am me.
Jim Affair.
Ya no paro so kwabo. Ya o so kwabo. Ya o. Ekwalayo. Ya o kwalayo.
Masa niko mu wo mchen na mia minimum mo yam ndamfo a yegina wa ebia obi ka se na ya kan ne de ho na bebia na migina no otinya bo nipa be 10 dia na yegina ho na osafu ko filling station ho driver fo ne na yi ni de se mi kan mu nyina bo mu a minipo mo wu a minimum kan bo mu a 40 to 50 plus otinya bo mu dia obi a me bo ni dia tro bia rest in peace mu nyina ya nkrofo a se bi aduane kura me no mu di anu kura ya maria o sem bebre because na mo nkrofo bi a me no ma masa hodi empa cho me my uncle fine na Kevin Mummy, Pati Asia Kwame. Oh, one appear. Emilia Ikra Tom, Emilia Ikra Tom Crano. Mimi came no just a woman. And I'm so adian sama me cousin could be Emilia. Jim could be Emilia Mo and Sana Makoda. So no crew we Kim Crawford, me cousin will go with you. A bear I was a bibli and 90 Miss Lower, right? Commodore Sumpa.
Jim Affair.
CJ. Oh, so we have mamma no, na ye can asem entafo no mamma no. On say
Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook, videos and infoni nyina ewo ho na fe fo adwenkyere fato ekua.
Asem bitime to ahwe ya na wo kasa korati enyame. Mamma no at that time no na che why you so devastated enti no was say as no nyame braso na wo ya someone to say na tie de hoto so etie ade na wo ye me say I say but one way I want to wo mase enso so na ya sem a eya say wasofa abawo da de wa ade ni si a wo yem bekase asoja wo ho aso abawo toa edru sabre no abakasa wo yem ya soja unim first nyentia na wo ba ne ye sode menken ne ade atumu no sa na tie enti maame no ko se momo kafra yenka wo mo ya kafra
enfoni a ewo Facebook me hwe kura na me yam hyehye me enfoni no a etwagu Facebook no se me hwa na me yam hyehye me na eno a me kotwam nra kotwa ma dabra ka hwa kopie esrohom kodi dwuma bi ewo ho na meduru hwa na me pomra fi say enra second and third na me say ei sabia we asem asi happen yo
on say asem na sai ukuada o June 3rd no
esi ukuada
e ukuada na nenso ye ukuada nti na de 5 years akwa no ankasa
Victor Osain Edu victim June 3rd disaster. Vic.
Hello.
At saying,
Yamia Dumo.
How they were ho?
I'm Pacho.
5 years ago, June 3rd, Ukuada say pepe. Brand Shoni Fiasia say eto now wehin.
It's soon started to Mako Juma. Yako bush in Yakoto. Fruits eti eto kakra afumu odi eto fine ti ebedu yero na piti na tobiu piti na ti anu brase
anu brase no na mfaka na jese me ba circle mesi awo circle ba me nya kraka it invaze me twa circle a ma si wo East Cantonment hono na me wa salam down ti ma twa kwan na m kofi be do circle no na so na e ma eti do ase airport bridge no na driver nso nko biu eti no ye nyina sisi ti ye binum no ya ye betwa mu na akosi animu no ye ko gina filling station o go filling station no eti e ko mi gina na so mi komani a mi metwa ko anu sisi ya mako ti mi do aye se mi twa mu na mafo bebre gina o si debi se na so no ya de mami ntwa mu tie gina ho sa dey we say so na fu me do me pocket level me chest pocket level tie gina ho sa se we be confirm me akọ obi a chichi ye we be confirm me akọ tie gina ho sa dey we say the loom e ko do na ho no eja e wo su na ni a chese e bubu to was eba if you want to move, it's in your face when do you the way I say no do you home. A depa who says sure he got the wedding. There's a filling station where say a stroke of fra petrol. It's not a move towards down there or donor down there. And name the year Jan Suma if you hoba. A giant agent in house, it's your bass, I don't. I Johnny dese ba on any hetake asa yi twam de asa malusu balance so jano buffer me ni so na mura so ni mura so za no lusu balance and ya twitwi me na de me fa e ko do na o de lu nche ho and aja me ni so jaro so se na me hwe nsuo mu se na mafo dware o TV so ade no mo wo mo na no na me ye bi saa na me bensu na ni na wo bi wo hon de lu nche na me copy me no na and I'm soon na pintu ani ade wo so me fu ye etwitwa me afan ti me koto akola bi na another girl bi e wo ti me twa mo ni na fu wo no and ye fu ye ti ye one to 12 tree or two so come towards the loom down. Tini a burning honey who said, of no big judge, almost in you see from a soon the ambassador. On my direct is far, as I don't be so even on the court economy. Take a corn, John, who said, me too, whom you are, she me. I said, I got a buffer many. Shishi mi timu ni na eti eja ni ko du fi se ona mi ko jina wa mi ma fi no ne mo frɛ mi se mo wen so mi wo hasi me ba so beti me ba eti na o ma twɛn mi a mi ma mo fi no mo ti boom na mi bra bi so mra no be fi o ye du ho no ti no frɛ fi se e ba bi am jira na ati bumnu afi no mu nyina mu kumatu ti mi du fo bia hede mu na mko pipe no ti mi bu su agu me hu sa na sister sorry no sorry e mba e no de meni me ko ho aye no de ti me fa car street in ko hospital ti me ne jina bra no e fa tazi ni e de ko bridge e ko du ho no e ko du ona e bi su akọ ebi no do what that just say yes show ebi nso ba no ye refer on to 37 yard e do no mo share me no o plaza tinza de chi am samra ti ade chi na san ko ye o ko no yi plaza no dress bi o di dress no di bandage bubo tinwana ya san ku fie. No. Look so lucky. You see, my sister, our US, nadamfo bi ba no hu ni nadamfo doctor bi no mami cream bi so yo fa mami fancy asra mani ntin nti obae eno de brain ni ada uma so cream ni si ni ya chese ne hu mani crown hu se ana mi tin hu se ja hihye no ti se dem wa hodin pa na mam pacho misra me fa kunya isunda desperate group asi omo ko rich also ti ko giedin na omo mai ado omo yade pa na social welfare social welfare
Vic mamim bisa emwa ben na sa arawusami etuwe mwa ben na wonsa kanka menka ankran de se na woda se but se e free aban mu emwa wonsa ka free aban mu Vic
bisanka mo bi e free aban mu eye no mo e ko register me ko police CRDS head office ko chuma ni nsem ni ade nyina no se o ni ko di letter rage na me fa nko we ame na ombema memwa enti me ko ame no me ko two lady bi ni guy bi two ladies and a guy one lady no also on boss me kama se nyina wi me de letter no ma no hwe letter ni o se o mo de hwe o ma awu enti ya ye nwu ni de ye nka na me da ma se na mpikwe na mko si so man ko be dia manyim mo bia fi be dia builder apart from despite the social welfare
Victor brana wujina baby ansuo no afrowa bedro kokko enkan say bottle ayda wo shirt nim kokko soro ha no nipa dodo asan na wa wodi wani hunu ya hu say we de ansuo no afa no we susu ansuo no afa no hunu bibisa Victor
tama na ye nyina ye gina ho no we ni bai tama ye gina ho e jane ba no de no bia ni wa afa no ba e ben ya ye gowura mu no a bia heta sketa ro ade no ende me kopim wo no nipa esuo no di wo mu twamu de bebre kwa mintini nkan
Jim FM
edu mu twamu bebre wo no so na me ni akola no na adaga boy no edu mu twamu no mu hia obi mu anu obi nsoso obi ani ho beboa edi nipa bebre twamu ko no kure ni nintro edi nipa twamu papa a cheso obi antima mu awo
Zebani say utwamu ho a utwamu circle ho a u feel saying Victor
oh I feel so very sad and worried twam say ya barricade ho no na baby ejina gram say omoton electricity we prepaid ho no na restaurant bi and so omoda so function. It was very sad because it's nipa na me in collabing on mommy. I don't know the omo na ha me pan omo yan collab on mommy just omo cotton ade omo pon ko view omo susu omo pan ni ade ti omo na I'm worried but I don't know ni omo ti omo kai hospital e ko nyina man chia on hoda
untimi nso nkyere se bia wo mo ti ase ana se nsuo no efa wo mo
ya mintimi nkyere
Victor Mamena wase
yo mesu me das
Victor Mamena wase Victor Edu Osan June 3rd victim na oko Facebook a obehunu videos ane infoni ahodo Adom 106.3 FM ewo Facebook Kwame Odro Silas so a victim Kwame
Openi
Apom
Nyamiadum
Kwame June 3rd 2015 a brand so ni fiase se eto na wo he
and a brand so ni fiase se eto no na me teka mu me ba se
Jim FM
na me take mu a me ba secret me to me djuma me ye kinti djuma ambio ma to kinti e won kran ministries department bi ti ada no na me kuta me niema me take mu ambe si secret na me dia akọ si baabi a ya me de niema ko si na de achia ya ha mama so de akọ baabi a se me de ko enti the car is you more secret ho enti me niema no de ebefum ni nyina me hu bi enti ensuo no sha seto no na me take mu a e wo secret se de me ka no a eni ro enti ya gwi se yeshi Africa no ya kobo ya hu adwa wo commercial bank ho no enti ebra isi nsuo no mu no na fe de former nsuo no yira na enti ne nsuo no bo ne minimu ase na so ahoden de nyame ahoden na kakra fa mu saa fu overhead foforo na sekusi commercial bank wo se ye twen ne nsuo ne tia na gya yakọ cosmenti me mfa me nyema ne de na ka me ho nyina enko amanyi cause me si nsuo no mu no ana me ekọ no na ma ho de ne bompaye e de me hye awade Yesu nsa se awade ka me ho na fu ho de boa me na me ntimi ko gu ba bi a me
Juma FM
na se minsen kwaje de wo Kristo mu na wo me so me fi no kola ase nyam de mo to Kristo so ntim bibia me yi bia me de mo hye nyame nsa eti ekwache ho saa bese anadweba 11 eti nipa beblebe nso be kai ho e hye commercial bank entrance n'anim wo ye dooso pa eni ehun se tender agrada first one second one ati the third one it ye no yehu ya ni se filling station wo je kum afi na petri ni ja no esa ne ba ba bi e wo no ti ye meti ya nse ni bi ka che mi se wo du osu trase ne bompaye na de eba ne ti mi trase bompaye be se 11 ni mo no afi nipa na ka me hu beblebe ni na me hu mu bi na ka me nko a enam sinwe de meye den na makọ afi ne sum kadisi na de meti ase ne ka tire me se ba bi a wo fa ba ye no sa fansu ni ne kọ
odro na nipa no a wo ka ho no na o ma fa he
le so kan ni na hu mu bi be pim na me ne wo ka se na enframa ka se e boss ata am no a man hu se ni kan ni mo aya re wo se eti me ne wo ka se kura me se atare kokko se ete kokko so na ye maria ho da pa ni padom no me hu mu biem
Juma FM
de me ka se gura de ni fa na me na ho ma yi direction ne ma me se ba bi a wo fa ba ye no san fa woko eti me fam wa me ko no an se de damla fe na ebo me na de ma ko hwe commercial bank wo no ebo me na de fe eti me kaja me na de me wu nsu ti de me ka mu wa se gura de Yesu je me na una woji Israel for free wa mani mu omo fa kokoko mu na ade mu try nti ye meka ni mi mu an nti ensuo na mu na ede me yi na nti afa mi ku fifi da bi je mu ya se apame na fe mi dansuo no ena edi mi di akoni abasa ena me pega mani je mu ya se net bi se to kokoko wo so eda ba bi ena eni ni ka se me se kaja ho to net yi so eti kwa me fa so me koto net ne so de eyi nyame ti me da ho saa na me ma dwen se ne mesi fom ti fom na mesi me nam so ni mo na me du wo yo ti ni mani mo ho ti me ya se fire service ka me nu eba ile me ni mo hwe ato ni ma bula me ti mu ba bi ani de ya nsa fe de awurade meda me ho ato nsuo na se wu kura na se bi wu a opani mewu ato de ma ye mre me ti mu ba bi ani emoja aye matade mu nyina me jemu ba yafe ma ye mre ti me da me ho to nsuo ni mo a me da me ni na ba me di jama nsani fa
Juma FM
eti yo oye mo de ka ten so pani so mensa ani o so mensa twen ni ade mbe gina mo dwanhye no so a wo de koka price no ani o so ne mu de me fa mo ade mbe gina ho ena kakra be nya ka wo ka price am de ba La Paz. It is one and better night. Sama de ansa na me ko ba bia me tienti e roko me de me to fie ba se 2 weeks ansa na me ko pie hospital police hospital enye me ne wo ka sei ma blanca sapa e wo me ni pedium fi ni
Jim FM
after the ti ya ne say ye mampani former president Mahama akasa say asemu asia na mo bi asi wotu efe dinted ya asemu hu bia obetu no aboa yen enti woti committee no yeti yan say sika ne nyema eba enso ya hwe ni moa betem ne emfie nu ne na asemu siye
Jim FM
etu etaze kura ni wa asemu siye sa abre no menye filimu mene nkrofo a eka ye ho betem ne yeshia da bia agenjine ye ho se adebone ba ni aye Ghana ya yi mpanimfo tisi asem yesi ye opani bi si wiase ba bia da Ghana na asem si ya ensuo eja ene petu asie kum nipa besa hanu yeni e sobaba abu besi nipa besa adusia nwotwe ku ahon krata ewo mensem enema eba ya manfo de che ni sika nyina nyame da wo mabosumi ba ko ni nyame aye madom na nya krata bia kura sika ne nyame wo so donations ya tanimfo ambo ne ade nyina de ma aye ikura me ya famu bia mayen itie de ya samu enfie ni ne ya ka ne se yesre wo menu mpanimfo nyina yesre ba president former president Mahama ya ba pa Rollins ya ba pa Kofo eni wa pa na bi dankwa Kofo do se ene den enfie ni ne pepepe dunte de asem esi enfie ni ja esi won kra sekra bontin kunkum nipa be sa hanu eme nipa be bie samwe ebinim kumu wu ebinim ile wu ebinim wu yen ya kasim yi se ni tin na ile ne ba wu ya se kasim de se wo bre ala se bre me bre yen nyina nipa be bie mu yesi kwabra tese minti mo bo mu nyina de lesi ni kwa me opani ebe pim nne ya yi ya makos bi bia si Ghana ya mpani funtu am anamo cho compensation enso compensation asa time no ye ba patwa ye no committee a wote ye ne bepem me committee ni bia ntima amfe ye mu bia ba akokora amfa hwe amayen ye ti ya ne se ye nuanom nipa de si dinum ene ye frɛ wo mu ema wo mu 10,000 se wo mu fa nkɔhwe mu ho yade na compensation na o mampani aka so de be ma ye ne wo ho eti wo mu de be ma ye nti no ye hwɛ eti ne following year 2016 no enu moto nsa frɛ ye se ye mra asɔle wo enegus matter research wo PTC on ye former president ni mpanimfo ba ba ni ye ya so ye wie ni ye kɔ ba bi ye gya ne to ye no
kwame
papa
now so kura document bi ede na wo document ne so sisu bi o ma me
document no ye list ya nipa ba se adusia nwotwe ekura me
victims
for
nipa ba say 68
68
okay ena den bio
ena enyema no akrabu we for be ye adoye ns chemist be ye adoye eni ye se woto nsa from meeting be sai ni na aba tv odi aba ba chedem bia nintime kenkan ni na wa fidie so
okay
eni sika Minister of Petroleum sika wakata nso 1,460,000 Ghana cedis NAB 100,000 Ghana Ghana Commercial Bank 100,000 Ghana Ghana Mission Cote d'Ivoire $5,450 ni nyina wo so so ni baby musician no wonso $50,000 ni nyina wo so ile me be bro studio moto nsa frame a na mo ahwe sai ni nyina nyema bebe da sai mo mi be ni sai sai ni nyina ye nsenti ni yanka
na je say sika wa ekura wo e wo krata so yi anya de awon sa kan mu be ye 500 Ghana na 1000 Ghana kra
dabi me je 18 asemi si ye no ebe si 2016 They been na yan free mu bia apart from the 15 no we move to 37 every hospital no more pa and ye free wo mo so kan okure wo mu nyina akire se from the mo so mfa kohwe mu ya de na sika kase na president board ni de wo de be maye nti ye de yenko it is 2016 no president ni ye be ya asole wo na goose wo ye di na chini ne ko ba bi asemi si ni gugu ehwire ho en ye bu sa president se wo se ye bo mo so wo nyame ya dum a 6 June ye Monday no yenko ye mi na de ye hwe nyina ye nsabeka afibia ye ko nentokwa akosi afibia ko nentokwa akosi ye ko a sika na ye sie wo ho ubusa wo mu sika no wo former president Mahama ho eti ye ntwen wo de beba mo dia maye ni na ya hwe ni mu abepem me
okay
ye nsenti manka
okay
san mu bia eti ye de ya semo e de to wo man ni na ye man panyi da Mahama nim se di awurade Yesu din se no ye kometi na wo te ye no omu anfa bibia mayen enye ma mebugo di nyina yen sentimi anka
okay
ye ba pa no ye de ni die ni ahobrase ene de kasa no president se on tun san frey nda woni ye hia junta de fo no
okay Kwame se wutwam circle ada honomu a e de na ba wutrim na me nya kwan Kwame
openi se mi temu ho ayi bia na me ye mo achimi me no ka se ekura mi su na me ye mo achimi cause na me yin se that same way about here the temu kwa wo feeling station bia na me ye mo achimi esan se eda ne ye eda bone ma me eni mi nuanom wo mo wu ye eni ye ne ye tia tie nyina cause o ma he wo mo chi na amaye it yes re mpanimfo se o mo na o mo ni be hwedun tagi fo asemu si ye mo me kaye no mo pe compensation edi mu emfa taye yes mo
Mama no asini enfensia.
Nti mama from the number you said you will
meba Jina so be producers no kasa. Why? Jina so. Kwame Odro Silas and so a victim. Adom 106.3 FM live on Facebook. Uhuno victims no omfoni any videos pictures ni ade nyina wa Adom 106.3 FM. Tiko Facebook na nya kwanya hwe na fa wadwenkyere efato otimi so edo WhatsApp message abrain 0556748029 0556748029 asimbisa ni say on that fateful day now we here June 3rd 2015 na we here insuo ne to no news ni fiase say ba no how did you get it ebiem so infie numachi adisuade ben ena yenyade free sa atorenchem awrehusemi emu ehia
CJ wo bisa se infie numne na Ghana fo obi a wotio wo hen ede ne asua wo infie numne me nso me bisa se donation na ba ye ne nyina na wose ye de masa victims no ma wotimi de ewo hen
ehia wadaroma eno de Misrewa jamame.
Mide masambisa na meja hwakro.
Jamame.
Ahwe ya na koya na COVID-19 a trust fund say ya say
jamame. Yeah. Jamame. Naji.
It is very 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 sad. Utie narrations na maboto to the extent say at a point the man opesusun. Osum ponye so pesusun because when narration na we can imagine say na ehu you see from circle ha na nsuo do we do cap price if you know the distance aye kana enya de keto unam nsuo de wo from the distance like this do ball aye nsuo mu ma
no
onum bie na nade etwa nya burochire nsuo
emu kurenyin
nchuma
from here to car price no medimani bubu kra no a aso free me krom babie ni lanso babia wo ba yie ko babie ni kurum aso free
but also sepe akwa no won kwa bre yo kasa sisi o won kwa pa free say
wow
said there from circular to a price has said there
ni wonu
said there no can say ohunu papa bi unexpectedly no hu papa bi so ogina ho no se so memu a nipa ne so nyankopon na je ne pa na because so from odon na heya betwam ba ha said there akwa no wadi akon enti na nka wo se
enti si je odi ebeja we na
wo mutin kwa
said o kan ebeja ho na ma
nipa 68 na wo se wo ye survivors no wo mutin kwa papa
munyamame now one Ghana movement on the 5th anniversary of June 3rd near see no one of the release biaba June 3rd victims facing major hardships 5 years on.
CJ mami ya ne phone da Facebook so na oye hwane June 3rd disaster mami bi ne akwala I don't know say one on na wo su
we statue no awomo ADC
ho no na before then na ayo adisa mami no phone ba na akwala kita na sa yede ne ebeto ho
egwe mami kwa homa no somra na anapedi adwuma ye dia no facha me samambodi ni ya Emily Kanyir Nur facha me samambodi ni ya akwaba
ye nia
aba peni sa ho ye de
na me adom ho ye na so ya
na me adom mixed feelings yare na ho esanse ne see June 3rd wo se yankopon ji binom krasi ho de but nipa dodo a wo mo hwere wo mo enkwa nti ama ade no akoye mixed feelings but one Ghana movement 5 years on mode release about of course just before asana me no ba bekasa no na any victims ni bi kasa na wo mo concerns no fa hardships ana bra wo mo ebre after 5 years ene mo ana nka wo mo hwe animu se wo mo ensabeka man kan e ma bom di release yaba imagine say ni say Emily
this is the victims no akano 5 years on anka obia adwene say by this time the funds na a pour in and omutumi raise during the time at disaster about 2015 by this time the disbursements be akwama victims no ama omwetumi abo omo because omutika sem no na me enim ne nkrene and because and said anko yesa no that was the hope so 5 years on some justice would have been served at least ombenya omo compensation due compensation and then beyond that also the reason why I walk court and say you seeking for accountability as well so that omo they were culpable and omuntia sad and they will also be held accountable for their actions and inactions. The most important thing is say people should realize say we were jumana 1 year you can be held accountable in your individual capacity and as an institution.
Why na mo na ko jina court why na musi no Emily
case na NPA AMA and Goyle filling station Goyle sorry and then the manager of the Goyle filling station at the time
your release much as sika victims no one said to me as we speak 200,000 Benin president ebe donate edema nadmo any AMA and no na one echiche de ma victims no be 2019 is that correct Emily?
Yes, very correct. Last year no information bar out for Benin president ede an amount of $200,000 abre victims no into NADMO board more for me board or putting together a list of the victims who were eligible for sad disbursements no into in June of last year me and Kasampo me for because I had to go and get some of the victims of our location ho omo ye AMA new AMA honum and omo chiche sikani bi victims no. So that's the amount of money I say it has gone out to the victims.
Okay, victims no nip amodo do asan na wamutimi enya asase kai mu ebi.
Unfortunately, to me, enka off the top of my head, but about 80 of the victims who received disbursements.
80?
Over 80, possible, yes.
Lessons, adisua dia, esese yesua free, sa rehosemi, emu, one Ghana. Lessons ben, sir?
See, I am say Ghana dear every year, and Accra, every year we have this rainy season. You name say there was a perennial floods, and those are the things that we have to look at. What causes the floods? After the disaster, report ABBA, recommendations from the report, and so ABBA. Into all these recommendations should be looked at and followed by the appropriate institutions. That is the only way I able to ensure say, floods here every year you're facing, and then regulatory bodies they should ensure say, around inspections now they take the right decisions. If a station has to be closed down to ensure that the right thing, that should be done. So that's the same way saying in CB. And then most importantly, we need to ensure, say, we do our work well and people are held accountable for their actions and inactions. And very important, we have to be accountable as a nation, we have to be accountable as individuals, and also citizens have to be responsible. And these are the objectives of One Ghana movement.
Okay, but Emily, now we can say recommendations be by. Maybe you are privy to some of the recommendations. Actually, I've lost Emily on that one. Nanka me pay bisano compensation crowd one more AGF free court. The ama victims no. Nanka me pay bisano pa. Kwajo Sanfan Brana one quick question na. Bisano, but well on Facebook, some of your comments on Facebook. Jocelyn Adjoa Druwa. And I was still sharing live on Facebook. I said, good morning, CJ. This is really sad. May their souls rest in perfect peace. Mention. Obi adepa ampofo adepa mina well. I say the year 2020 is really a year of sadness. Ono so ne dia ode abryan ewo Facebook. And no. When so Kwame Badjo, I said, good morning, CJ. That fateful day, I was at work when my wife called me to come and pick her at Kolebu, where she works. So I informed my father-in-law, and he said, no, I should not go wherever my wife is. She should sleep there till the next day. It was only God who saved me from this. It would have been, I would have been dead by now, and I give all glory to the Most High God. Kwame Ba Joe, and on also so de ne aba fa wadwen chebre Facebook Adom 106.3 FM Facebook. That's it.
I think sir the One Ghana movement pa ade so ani sani buman as citizens no, and of course your presidency we should be citizens not spectators. And I think so my idea. And Ghana for you say we are asking for accountability and then probity. Na the SSA because it was for the purpose of the CNT. And sikani na baye. Inti so munti noa skani baye no monsan kan idea obi ntimi kan che so odia aye kwan and odia aye bridge. Because near bridge huska. It was for the people. Into the sika should come to them. There's no other destination apart from the pockets of the victims. To the kwaya kwa no awodi. Cause in your sika. So I think One Ghana why idea Adom FM ye boduma and obi ansum ye misa until some go for sabeka. Of course. Of course. Legitimate questions.
Every
CJ.
Yeah, maybe so.
Me de sana me medical bisa dada na asimi nya enti sika no ewo hen.
Yeah, maybe so.
Enipa na wo munti nkrofo ye donation no. aden ne bepem saa brɛ wo me ne wo ka say asɛm ne se ye no me ba Adom ha say me hunu say enkofo victims ne betete ase omutiri ho ahyehye ebinom yam ene se de na guy ba ko last mbeto so wote ayi reception se de na no ho asi aworo no e je san krofo wei ene se ye de sika no emma wo mo na wo mo e de bo wo ho bra at least obi crop tension dan so ohunu onam no otwam no ohunu ba bia yes filling station kwa na ne yam di ne hwim eno kwa ne
psychological trauma
e issue enti yema ne bi na wo mo fan kwaye de so wo de ayo 5 de enfoni ne bebre e release
bebre o ko Facebook
visuals no o release bebre enti ko Facebook
na
page na share ene afia ba be fia betwem afia betwem ene wutwam okra eho saa na yenye eho hwe
akwa yanku ye ni menu a kase bom akwanhie si kofi agi megidi so obo ho amane say o say ehba osam kroma na say osam krom a tanker eminato passenger car so eno na eno so just ayo aso de to okra amayin also de infoni no egugu ho amayin ti enche Facebook live ko na hwe bi ni na ko Adom 106.3 FM o Facebook sa kwanhia no so ho infoni videos ewo ho kofi agi akwa ba
Bajo CJ
ayi na ujina na payporting
CJ sama me no kasa masa betim ewo me gya samukrom osamukrom awo Gumwa Central Mensimo ewo efinfi mantem agora so do winiba road no ona esi ana pa me no kasa me gya sisi CJ na ni nyina ne anada ana ebeto gya se awia no be one ana ebeto gya se kwanhia bi asi ewo prison junction on baby a yedenum na de phone bi edano nti ho ana kwanhia ne si nti emre piem na amba na Hyundai Grace bi I loadu ko 3 seater ibi I loadu ko swedro winiba kaso a anu bi ana ene gas tanker abenya kwanhia na kwanhia se de sie ni efije se mi twamfoni a ahono ayamnem se ofi agoso do ba ahono ye sanem ana se ofi winiba nso ba honso ye sanem na hon ensuo hon ensumuna ensuo ankasa da hon mo a ya ye bridge ensuo no efa kwana se de bridge ensuo tiel but hon amna no sharp pa na kwana so hon se de contractor no ya hopa no kwana so tru yi even na wi akura do a hotro pa edinso to tonka na ma ne tro na ye mo na de ko ba na te se private car ba ko ana ye overtaking rough bi I was on sharp na gas tanker no e fa ya tro lucky gas na every time kwa offload gas e agna swado na Hyundai business to free agna swado a wonko winiba enti private car no bo careless no nti we ye na ja ho kwa no so emu taaka enti we ye na ji se o save enti private car we no passenger car no ye na ji se wo save ka nanka one ma private car we ekwan no ato de ko wura ato de ko bo tu de ko wura amranim enti olu wura amranim pepe no na gas tanker o so e protector wa pa enti o so mo munya balance kakra bi a ahe o betopom enti ono so na ji se so wadi be bo Hyundai gas na wakuni pade ani ono so na ji se o serve kakra enti so vini mu na yeli ko to no ana train no o de ne so to ti kwa na so so atro ana train nti ba bia budget ba bia train kwa na ho aso na Hyundai gas na ko se awa branim ana gas tanker na ko to no so se bam enti ko to no so na omuni option bia se ebi ani pe wo no wa no mbewu ana pra no be peta enti amuru mu na de o tese meet ni na wo twi sende o tu si form ana ma ba ko so ne ba ene ba akwala ke to akra won tuma no to ne ba no to twi no to force ya na opie ka da anu ni pa kakra bi ana ka ho ni pa bi no enti sa fo ne de CJ o mo se mu bi ti awia no e ja dem na Francis o ba ni 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 pa do ewo aban for it ni president ebiti ni pedu eti obi a man figure na obi a man figure eti amna Francis so ba ya o mbe he so mbeti ni ka no te adiasa na joye ta ka ba be 9 to 10 eti na ja dia o meti ya ye hu dia ni na se gas tank no so ana na gas so eti so man you said o man you so adyan pa ya are so near exploding the whole community community so some communities are dying just 100 meters to the town and so among in the year area boom the whole community is a bit nasty and not really people going to about the fathers for Canada and Benatorinka Mitorinka Bakubai and Tiantum and the normal chance to bring empty gas tanker no about offloading your man and unfortunately you're up to now no can say I've been a tanker and a tanker is about now sorry ma
Kofi say me share video here as see a twagu Facebook here na say tanker no virtually across so kwan no o share send tanker ne tie no a na wan so pa Kofi
awo just so bam eti amam for your market say gombe saving nipa na wo win but ni nyina na le motor instructor on so ezimuna on so atete eti tanker na just na press passenger car let me what again let me what again eti obia na just obeya wa kwa also umbewu na sije nya awra ho nipa dem nipa saka ni omusu wonjeme na sije odama before ma to aso ma ba ko wono de wono kwa na so odi kan yi abranke ba ko pie nti ya musa no se ono na hu ye so kasa na next opani mo ati mo akwa ba
ma me ne nkasa
my CJ Mema ne akoso wa ndra no de ne ani nyan kakra afise na mekuta moto amenso menam kwa no so ameba so adu ekumuhu se ka ba ko eye private car ash color bi atiko vatican no into take ya tanka no so evo no ana eto no na pena hunda this car no so ba no ana kobo tanka no so ana no to no kwasha amnan mu wonsuo no mu nteye ya pena tanka ne teni ya pena koto car no so nemum nanti kema ekom wo car no mu no yenya mate ni no eyi no APA ana papa bi ne ba but ne nipa wo car no mu ya 5 okay nti ekoka nipa 2 aye driver no ane ne o ti driver ne side nti driver ne twin mu si yenyi no na car na tanka na atokwa no so esrepito emiano person ko from ewo nti na emem ne sanja afen titim ni mu na be yedi entumi wantumi ankeka mu biom afen bi hu ya se car na ammem kura akɔhye ateke no mu na ye hu hwea enyiye enti ne ba ekoba wo ndra eno no enti pa one by yes umbetumi ayi car no omo ye anyeyi na de ema ndra wo mutumi epeja aka na nimu fi ono na omo ye pe na homa na tete omo ye pe na homa na tete eno oman no a wa ha no people no yes no I just omo ba no mbegu nsebi e wo nsuo no mu because of moja egu nsuo no mu enti na ma omo ye na homa na tete no enti omo ba ye e de snap e ba yi apaye wo nsuo no mu omo ye wie ya ansa na akire omo tumi ya na ekobo be ye 10 ansa ni umutumi eyi emu no fi car no mu
actually anapaya ba but to can ako asa the count is to can na iki but still anya dia umutumi atwe tanka no
kofi ma mbisa tidipa mienu no amo car ni mu no tese wo mo ho tese wo gusu wo car ni mu wo mo ti ase ana so
sije omo de omo nkati aso biem eyi omo no oma proper o de car na press omo dompe no ati da de ma yam oma proper nkete da tanka tanka da na motor pita tanka gas so sa wom na eda so da car na sije car na flat passenger car no I have flat. I don't bet me use why the tire. And the tire no and maybe on betting the engine you see I'll be I am. I kind of flat. Or I have means this I have flat there. Flat body touring car, flat body in the it's kind of flat. Just a alien here. And it's look at say fire service on my idea. Your mama pass fire service on me. I've not so good fire service for Anna Saba and a pump and so do police amatna kitchen and I know you are not there 1 o'clock after now. I am still I'm na because the woman say the best years the two are never empty container another empty gas tanker. No, probably just tanker by in your time, unfortunately, we now saw a man, and yet the Amatica credit no much in your service in the the fighters were there. On Mema tanker, about the Abano gas woman, on my gas station be a new gas. Now, my camera by force. Now, send a mobile of Luduin. There's a touring kind of buy, there's almost a minimum and a pay. Certain up that I can get a number of the wings of the because I want to change so much. That's it. I want to change so much. And I don't know. I'm not going to catch a baby and Africa there. I'm money do want to do somewhere because me church I can say we have to do one because the prices what you speculate in that game we are to the global now. So touring car sponsor you so much game and the kind of association. So what you but gas tank about everything action floor. Now my quantum crash or the honor I'm a country. Some look at a moment of gas would do and some twice on Nancy. No, of course, you want Nancy for boom cry. My own papa.
Go feed me bow. Me hunum for ni bi wo Facebook says here. Passenger car no na amwa mwasano.
I don't have flat sano. I have flat body. The amount for speculations are then they are with the African belief. The big one because we said that me and the thousand number of goods are still and the prayer to say they are not because it was still are not touring can a way and a way I think only so can't manati. Only so manati and a president. I'm up on the better 10 times. I'm banati. Ombono precious gardening from the penat as a banana in Sula Sergeant, Apostle in Sunum, as a banana in Sula Sergeant, Kankana Cosins. I think, so the amount for that on the Canada, and anonymous a grand of Bicha, Omuka Gang, Town, yes, I can, maybe other say big Janis and I can see him. Na Edia, the H, a barbecue can discuss another, but for now, dear, Nadian Booting, the Batas or Afro Mihana.
Ensure I can was a minute saying, ensure Ben no.
And so the other beside Gumafono, Lamimusa, Lamimusa come up on the thing, so the Bianca and Cata the same. Now, you wouldn't really be back for now. Me all I want to say, I say, a Gumaphone and any people who are more than 1,000 times they had it for her and a month for Swa, and I'm the kind of blocking to Musia Monant. I just ensure we are maybe we are both in an
Kofi bi a betimi a kire nipa dodo a wo me de Nyankopon de wo mo kwa kire wo mo wo mo survive here
by nipa num I think I say I survive yes tank no no driver but no police force critical omo de na very critical because said the omo so de na no abesi so the abesim abesim Abesim, Abesim, and the Zakana Cosim. I'm enjoying the Abesim and a tank and Akosim, and Zana Zaka, Yamiloka, and to see Nippon is any problem. I mean, like I said, Omanum, Lacopo, a deal of you, Omanum, which I did. Now, tank and the driver, so maybe I'm with Dano. Tank and the driver, no to Nippon, and Omanum, which I did, but fighters for the police, the tank and driver. Almost serious. Meeting so okay. The Branson Association meeting on to war.
Passenger car no.
Passenger car no but and the on confirmed because we no not the betting police be no betting I'm a figure because we no
but Kofi na wo kase abofra bi ane papa eto no twene se ne be ya obetimi save no abofra no ho tesen
no ye ono kan papa no ho en omo asurvive who's papa no be no na so save akwala life to akwala no for window nim according to just akwala for window akwala be hwe abonchen anza na amam for tumi atwe papa ne afrim so omo twene na anza na omo de so like no this you so ya de Benjamin Otu no my it's ambulance now my ambulance is available and admit an ambulance fire service and you wanted to ambulance straight to Dwaso Nsem hospital you wanted to Dwaso Government Hospital. For now, CJ, attention to that line, so the American the next be because up to now, a quantum now block and again, I answer by in access to the corner block on free a unit by 80% cost group, and at the official doing to me as in Benji, Ghana, some anyone we and the corner block for the BCA. I just say we now that General casting the bread die, and the bill die. And they up to now can't come and the TV over back and I just don't confirm Bodjasi Road, Ukofa, Swedru Bodjasi Road, no Abissim, or Swedru or Brassia Bodjas, no Abisika, so new market one. On a bit in a financial free accounts, not so much. I saw fast Okofa Aquan, so now the Banas I said, the old fat, Unibaru, the Anya debit, and unfortunately, the South Finance of Council, I said it. I found a account for Amranqua, Yadomatia, and during this time, Kapukus, no. By your council, review our criminal council, our contract, and the almost on by and the Hasabia, you say, on by the
Kofi Ajay, Amaniabo, and no, and Tina, Chessa, Aguia, Sanya Obama, and the that's I say, Abessim in Switzerland. They say,
Tanka need two a benon,
Sana, I don't know.
But fast service name penny phone at least. Said the coffee can no more bomodibia, but almost year or more who free say, tank air can gas a woman, load. And to say, I'm shiny ye and also cycle you to some say a Kumasiko, Makotosa tanka, not gas rooms are a pie, ama say jet me too, who fear not wow. Na wo fie obi se fie no wasese sa kronomi refi kronidin enti yesre wo momodin asebe ya at least load ne betimi afri mu na no so so eno de nkebe disaster ene don't add yempe ti adawro ma
ye kono ye drive so ye hwe ye do su tobre nti overtake no de na chi nwanwa sa
obakudu Anaja Brimpon on Anaquia Champoma, Safuedu, Madama Naposo, Numakwe, so Etachi Dura Plus, where Dura Plus goes, water flows, Erata Motors for the best car batteries and oil, buy speed made batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk, latest form your partner for life. Societe General SG Ghana, the future is you. Agbefe Herbal Center. Why are the